Hello, in this video I'm going to be talking about the new version of LMStudio. So let's get started. Let's search for LMStudio. I'm going to have to download and install the new version. You guys can see that the version is the new version. So we're going to go to download. Okay, I'm going to be testing this new version. The version 0.3, which is pretty exciting because the program seems to be better and hopefully it's going to be faster. But let's see how that will turn out, okay? Let's see if the new version is really better. It's going to take a while until we download the program. Pretty interesting to see how fast these interfaces to run LLMs are progressing. Really interesting to see that happening. As always, I recommend you guys to use the models by the LM community, which are pretty good. They filter some good releases and are always up to date to the most relevant models. Okay, let's see. The download is almost done. The download's done. So here it is, the version 0.3.1. Let's install it and let's see how that will turn out. Let's see if this is really a step up with regards to the last version. It is being installed. Let's see what we can see in this new version of the program. If there is something that is significantly different and does better. Installation is still being done. Okay, it's gonna take a while it seems, and starting up. So it seems that the program has a new splash screen, a little bit different. Here is the new version. The interface is a little bit different. You can move this. Can I select a model? It identify the model that I previously had. I don't see the interface to change the model. I'm gonna load this model. I would like to see the settings. Okay, so now there's a setting tab here, but where do I change classic auto? Okay, it's good, but I would like to see where I can. Okay, I found. So it's right here, guys, that you can change the settings for the model. Let's see, general. I would like to see GPU offloading. Yeah, I don't see GPU offloading. Is the model loaded on GPU? I think it's possible that the model is loaded on GPU, but let's test with hello. Okay, we got 34 tokens per second, which is pretty good. Writing hello world in C++. The response is pretty good. We can move this a little bit there. Okay, the interface is better. This dark mode is really pretty. 29 tokens per second on the Gemma 2 model, which is still pretty good. You guys can see here the response is pretty good. Writing program for speech recognition in C# using the Microsoft Speech Server. Let's see how that will go. So it's pretty good. Actually, Microsoft Speech using speech recognition. Seems to be okay. Yeah, it seems to be right, I think. This program seems to be correct, but yeah, it seems to be correct. Okay, it's not that bad for a 2 billion parameter model, right? Gemma 2 is really impressive. I would like to see some of the settings in this new version. Let me see. So here we can see I don't see GPU offloading, where we can chat appearance. It's not chat appearance that I'm looking for. Yeah, still new interface. Thus by default loads all the models into the GPU. Is the server, the discover. If it search Gemma, this interface is pretty much the same, but it's really pretty now. Let me search for LMStudio. LMStudio. They have a. Let's go to most recently updated mini CPM, which is a visual model, I think. Internal M, QN math, but I don't see the option. There's no homepage anymore, seems, right? They removed the homepage. I don't see where do I. Is it here? Okay, I found it, guys. It's right here. So right here we can configure the context length and the number of layers that we load on GPU. So the model probably has 26 layers. That's the max. So we have all the layers on GPU. Okay, pretty good. This new interface is more simplified. I think simpler. It's actually good. To finish, let's say something. Say something to my viewers. They are watching you right now, Gemma 2. Let's see. So that's pretty much it, guys. The new version of LMStudio. Pretty interesting. And let's see what kind of advancements we're gonna see. But that's pretty much for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.